Because when you start to share your story, you start to really, really quickly realize what's the impact and the influence of that story. So it forces you to look at yourself. It forces you to look at what is the amplification of my story going to have on these people. It's such a growth moment, and people think I need to figure out all my shit before I put out the story. No, you start putting out your story now, and you start looking at it, and you start analyzing it, and you start seeing, how can I share the story more powerfully? Or maybe there's things within the story that I haven't figured out yet that I need to figure out. And for me, it was